Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to share with you some things to do every morning for stronger bones. Bones are the foundation of our body, and they need proper care and attention to stay healthy and prevent diseases like osteoporosis. So, without further ado, let's get started. 1. Drink a glass of water. Water helps to hydrate your body and flush out toxins that can damage your bones. Water also helps to lubricate your joints and reduce inflammation. So, make sure to drink at least 8 glasses of water a day, and start your day with a glass of water as soon as you wake up. 2. Balanced breakfast. Breakfast is the most important meal of the day, and it should include foods that are rich in calcium, vitamin D, protein, and fiber. Calcium and vitamin D are essential for bone health, as they help to build and maintain bone density. Protein and fiber help to keep you full and energized, and also support your muscles and bones. Some examples of bone-friendly breakfast foods are yogurt, cheese, eggs, milk, oatmeal, nuts, seeds, fruits, and vegetables. Try to avoid foods that are high in sugar, salt, and fat, as they can weaken your bones and increase your risk of fractures. 3. Do some exercise. Exercise is not only good for your overall health, but also for your bones. Exercise helps to stimulate bone formation and prevent bone loss. It also improves your balance, coordination, posture, and flexibility, which can prevent falls and injuries. The best types of exercise for your bones are weight-bearing and resistance exercises, such as walking, jogging, running, jumping, dancing, lifting weights, or using elastic bands. Aim to do at least 30 minutes of moderate exercise every day, and vary your routine to work different muscle groups and bones. 4. Get some sunlight. Sunlight is the best source of vitamin D, which is vital for bone health. Vitamin D helps your body to absorb calcium from your food and use it to build and repair your bones. Vitamin D also regulates your immune system and mood, which can affect your bone health. The best time to get some sunlight is in the morning, when the sun is not too strong and the UV rays are not too harmful. Try to expose your arms, legs, and face to the sun for about 15 minutes every day, and avoid using sunscreen or sunglasses during this time. However, if you have sensitive skin or live in a cloudy or polluted area, you may need to take a vitamin D supplement or eat foods that are fortified with vitamin D, such as milk, cereal, or orange juice. 5. Practice gratitude. Gratitude is a powerful emotion that can improve your mental and physical health. Gratitude helps you to appreciate what you have and what you can do, rather than focusing on what you lack or what you can't do. Gratitude also reduces stress, anxiety, depression, and negativity, which can harm your bones and your overall well-being. To practice gratitude, you can write down 3 things that you are grateful for every morning, or say them out loud or in your mind. You can also express your gratitude to others by saying thank you, giving compliments, or doing something nice for them. By practicing gratitude, you will feel happier, healthier, and more confident, and your bones will thank you for it. So, these are some things to do every morning for stronger bones. I hope you found this video helpful and informative. If you did, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel for more videos like this. Also, don't forget to share your thoughts and experiences in the comments section below. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.